trim. It won't let me keep it there. I'm sorry. See if it'll let me keep it. No, I'm sorry, it won't. I wish it would. That'd be nice. Okay, so we're going to trim these lines up so it looks like this. Unfortunately, it won't let me set that over there at the same time. Okay, so I know I need to trim here, trim. I need to trim these lines because that makes my closet. So there's my closet. I'm going to need to trim these lines to make the door. And then I need to clean up some of the intersections. But basically I'm starting to build that closet, right? So I don't want this, since I'm going to mirror, I don't want this particular wall to go too far. So I'm going to make just a cut line and to trim against. And I'll show you what I mean later by that. Just trust me on this. Okay? There we go. Just going to cut that short. Okay, so you're just going to have a little suggestion of a line there. All right, so let's go ahead and trim up our corners. Make them nice and neat. Give yourself a four-way here. Beautiful. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to work on these closet doors. Now we know this is 8 feet inside here. Right? Let's look. Or 9 feet, I'm sorry. It's 9 feet inside here. But we know that the dimension of the door is 8 feet, right? Okay, so that if it's a bifold and there's 4 doors, that means each one of those doors is 2 feet. So we're going to go to the door. Sometimes you might have to even get a piece of scratch paper and do some ciphering, as they'd say. Okay, so we're going to go and do a rectangle. Dimension 2 feet by 1.5 inches. Okay, so that's one of our bifold doors. And we're going to rotate that door. Let's rotate it -45. Okay, so there's your door. So we need to find where we're going to place that door. So to place the door, we need some guidelines. So let's look at what we're going to do. We're going to find the midpoint. We know it's an 8-foot opening. We're going to offset 4 feet. For this way, for that way. Okay, so that's their opening. Let's go back in and I'm going to use the match properties and change those little pieces to wall and then trim it up. Come on. I'll just erase this because I don't need that. So now I have my door and I can put it in place and I'm going to mirror it. No. and I'm going to copy it to the other side. So now I have my bifold doors, right? And all I need is this other door. And then we'll make the doors and place them in. All right, so now I'm going to take this door, and I want a left-handed door. I'm going to use the move, copy, rotate command. I'm going to grab this door. I'm going to grab it by one of the ends of the jamb. I'm going to copy it over, put it on that point. I'm going to rotate it once I've gotten it there. So now my door is in place. You might have to practice that a few times so you know, and then I trim it. So now I have this bedroom. Now remember what I said earlier, this bedroom is a mirror image of the bottom bedroom. Okay? And you'll see why I cut that wall short. So I'm going to take, using the mirror image command, I'm going to grab all the things that make up that bedroom. I'm going to hit the midpoint of that outer wall, and now I have the upper bedroom also. And you can see now I have the wall to the bathroom. If I had left those walls really long, it would have dragged up there. It just kind of would have been a mess and just difficult to clean up. So I'm going to do it again. Grab those. You notice I used the selection from left to right, and so it wouldn't grab these outside. It just grabbed what I had in my box. Mirror. No, I don't want to erase the old one. Okay. I'm going to clean up this. Get rid of that little piece. And I'm going to use the fillet command. Okay, so now I need to place a door right here. Again, I'm going to use that move, copy, rotate. Copy. Bring it over to this point. And rotate. Trim. Now you have your bedrooms and your bathroom.